Hello everyone, if you're having this problem, this site cannot provide a secure connection. So whenever you try to go to a website and it shows this problem, then don't worry, today I'll be showing you how to fix this problem. So to solve this problem, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is install a free VPN or any VPN you like, and once you install and connect that, it was just gonna fix the problem. So in my case, I'll just use this Proton VPN, so it's very fast. So let me quickly connect to it. So it says it connecting to the Netherlands, so it's connected, as you can see. Let me get back to the browser and see if it's working or not. So let me hit the reload. Yeah, as you can see, it's working fine without any problem. So if you found this video helpful, then please do consider like and subscribe. And if you want me to make any other video, then also comment down.